Good day everyone! Today, we'll be discussing about hardware tools. So what is hardware tools? These are tools that are used physically related to computer hardwares, made before cleaning or repairing it. Hardware tools are grouped into 4 categories, and these are ESD tools, hand tools, cleaning tools, and diagnostic tools. For now, let's discuss about these categories starting with ESD tools. Electrostatic discharge, or known as ESD, refers to the electricity that suddenly flows between two electrically charged objects due to contacts, faults, or short circuit. Therefore, ESD tools exist to prevent people from electric shock because of ESD. This category contains 2 tools. One is anti-static wrist strap, and second, the anti-static mat. Anti-static wrist strap is used to safely ground a person working on a very sensitive electronic equipment. Anti-static mat is used to protect the technician and electronic equipment from damage and explosives. Next is hand tools. Hand tools are usually used in order to assemble and disassemble parts of computer. The common hand tools used are flathead screwdriver, which is used to tighten or loosen slotted screws. Phillips head screwdriver. It is used to tighten or loosen cross-headed screws. Torx screwdriver. It is used to tighten or loosen screws that have a star-like depression on the top. Hex driver. It is used to tighten or loosen nuts in the same way that a screwdriver tightens or loosens screws. Needle nose pliers is used to hold small parts. Wire cutters is used to strip and cut wires. Tweezers is used to manipulate small parts. Part retriever is used to retrieve parts from locations that are too small for your hand to fit in. Flashlight is used to light up areas that you cannot see well. Wire stripper is used to remove the insulation from wires so that it can be twisted to other wires or crimped to connectors to make a cable. Crimper is used to attach connectors to wires. That's all for hand tools. Next is the cleaning tools. Cleaning tools is a group of tools that are used to maintain cleanliness of the computer. It consists of compressed air, soft cloth, cable ties, and parts organizer. Compressed air is used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the components. Soft cloth is used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. Cable ties is used to bundle cables neatly inside and outside of the computer. Parts organizer is used to hold screws, jumpers, fasteners, and other small parts and prevents them from getting mixed up together. Lastly is diagnostic tools. Diagnostic tools refers to tools that are used to diagnose equipment. The materials used for this are a loopback adapter that tests the basic functionality of computer ports, a multimeter that checks the integrity of circuits and the quality of electricity in computer components, and a toner probe that is a 2-part tool where the toner generates that travels the length of the cable and the probe part traces the cable. That's all. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!